Gets tiring after a bit, huh? Whew. Ginger and scallion sauce. A very simple sauce that goes well with everything. You mostly encounter it in Chinese restaurants serving with chicken, but I could eat anything with it. And it is what my friends refer to as the green sauce. Very, very simple. You mince some ginger. We first make matchsticks. And then we flip it 90 degrees and we mince. And now, the scallion. There's no correct way to slice your scallion, but what I like to do is what the Koreans call the diamond cut. You do it at a 45-degree angle and you don't cut through the first time round. Once you reach the top, you flip it and you do exactly the same without cutting through. Only then you get to cut through at once. That's one. You kind of want a 2-to-1 ratio, as in 2 pot scallion, 1 pot ginger, just because this will shrink a lot more when the water content evaporates. Save this, by the way. When you slice them thinly, it makes amazing steamed fish, goes well with fried rice, or use it as garnish for anything. I say this is 1-to-1, so I'm going to use half the ginger. Now that the chopping board has miraculously disappeared, we have a saucepan that is heated, and at this point we're going to add vegetable oil. Once the oil is shimmering, we add half the ginger because we want to keep the 1-to-2 ratio. And you just want the water content of the ginger to evaporate a little bit to remove a bit of the harshness. You don't want to burn the ginger. And at this point, scallion in. We salt. Remember, this is a dressing, so you can salt a bit, quite a bit. And you top it up with more vegetable oil. And now, into the Chinese-looking bowl, just a dash more. Oh, beautiful. This is my green sauce with ginger and scallion, sea salt, and vegetable oil. I hope you enjoy. Let's try again.